DJs are responsible for playing and mixing music at events, clubs, festivals, and radio stations. They create playlists, read the crowd, and use equipment like turntables, controllers, and mixers to blend tracks smoothly. Some DJs specialize in specific genres, while others take requests and adapt their setlists to suit the audience. They may also promote their gigs on social media, work with event organizers, and even produce their own music to stand out in the industry. The yearly salary of a DJ can vary widely depending on experience, reputation, and where they perform. Beginner DJs playing at small venues might earn around £50 to £200 per gig, while experienced club or wedding DJs can make between £20,000 and £50,000 a year. Top DJs who perform at major festivals or have a strong online following can earn significantly more, with some making six-figure incomes. Many DJs also boost their earnings through sponsorships, music production, or radio work. There are no formal qualifications needed to become a DJ in the UK, but training and experience are essential. Many DJs learn through practice, online tutorials, or college courses in music technology, sound engineering, or DJing. Some complete apprenticeships or gain experience by working in clubs, radio stations, or music production studios. Building a strong personal brand, networking with industry professionals, and developing technical skills with DJ software and equipment are key to becoming successful.